Good evening, everybody. September 14th, 2021. Bitcoin is pushing up. We don't have 5 waves yet, but it is potentially making them. I posted in the group earlier today a chart here with what those 5 waves should look like. This here being the third wave top that we should see, somewhere between 47.6 and 48.2. We haven't quite hit that yet, but let me delete that for a second. But we are potentially, within this I can count a little micro 1, 2, this could be 3 and 4 here, and then 5 up finally. And this would be a much smaller count within that third wave basically, so it is possible. I also posted earlier today in the group that we should now be holding over this 618 area at 45,935 in order for this to continue upwards. That is still the area to keep a watch on. If we fail to hit this and we break down below this, then we are not in an impulsive structure and we cannot say the bottom is in. Now if we get this little final push up here, overnight and or tomorrow, and then we get a retrace, not necessarily all the way down here, but that is the ideal region, down to 46.2 to 46.7. If we get that push up and then a retrace down, and then finally one more push up here, between 48.5 and 49. In that case, then we are going to be looking at an impulse up, in my opinion, and I'll be looking then to buy the next pullback. So wherever that next pullback goes, that'll be the time to hop in to buys on Bitcoin. Basically once these 5 waves complete. So at the moment it looks promising to make that happen. The bulls still have some more that they need to prove. If it does this, if we just die from here without ever reaching that and break down through, then best case scenario we do something like this, which is like an ABC, and that really would not qualify. Even if we get up here into this 48, 49, 50,000 region, this action does not qualify to say that the bottom is in. So that's, we really have to keep an eye on the micro here and say, what is it doing, and are we maintaining over these important areas based on the fibs? Or are we doing corrective action, in which case we'll then expect further downside from there instead of pushing up. So we'll keep monitoring this over the next couple days or week or however long it takes, and we'll see what direction we're going to end up going in. So I think that's pretty much all I've got to say on Bitcoin right now. We'll see what the action brings overnight and tomorrow. All right, good night, everybody.